Okay, let's start our topic today. So today you have to do what I'm doing in the normal HTML. You have to do same thing in the React. So I will be building some components using the Get Bootstrap website, and I will be putting in my HTML page. You have to build same thing in the React. So let's go to the project, React project. I'll run the npm start. And then okay. Okay, so this is something yesterday I did, and I have the three column. This is something in React. Now I will build same thing in the HTML, and you have to replicate uh, in the React. And if you can create component or you can create directly, but I want the output to be same what I'm showing you. And I will be dividing the task into small parts. So first task I will give something, and then I will give another thing. So let's make two column only. First will be left column will be 4 and right column will be 8. And then I'll refresh the page. Sorry, this one I'll go here. So in your React application, yesterday I told you to create 3 columns. Right now I'm saying to create 2 columns. So just finish this part and then we will start again. This part I'm giving you in the chat. Maybe you can create a new component or you can put it directly below navigation. It's up to you. The more component you will create, the more better it is. But if if you don't have time or you cannot create now, you can directly put in the app.js this part. But I want the output to be same, which I'm showing you here. So once you are done with this part, let me know. I will go ahead.
So yesterday you created 3 columns, right? So
I
now
I
2 columns.
deleted one column. I'm just making 2 columns.
All right. Okay. Okay. That's fine. That's container. Oh.
So once you're done, commit your file so that I can check it whether you have done it correctly or not. So once you're done, I will update this. So don't say once you're done. Once you're committed, then say that you're done. So I can check it.
So that challenge.js should be under source or a project folder, project
Yes,
one.
inside the source folder,
Okay.
project one.
All right. So it's called MD 66 or 36.
Since we may want to make it 12 total, so
60.
you can have, left side should be smaller. Maybe you can use 3 9.
Oh, okay.
3 is the best. The
Oh,
left side should be smaller, right side should be bigger. 3 9 is fine.
okay.
Yeah, like this. Committed, Kate? Is it committed?
Yeah,
Yes, I committed twice because the first time it is two column, 8 and 4. And you said 3, 9, and I changed to 3, 9 and commit again
Okay, let me
and push again.
yeah, I'm done too.
Okay.
So, yeah, I committed twice.
Yeah, I'll check it. It's ultimately it goes as a one only. So you have navigation and then you have uh,
Container?
container, and if I go in container,
3, 9, yes.
selected container, then you start with the row, column 1, 2. Okay, it's fine. Let's see. Let's see.
I just committed, but I'm not sure if it is done or not.
I'll check. No worry.
Okay.
We do the pull again.
Challenge one.
So this one is container with 3 9. This one is navigation, and if I go open the app.js, I'm getting navigation. And so here you are saying challenge 1.
Mhm.
So challenge 1 is, I'm giving you challenge. So challenge 1 should not be component. You should put it in the container. You should not put it in the challenge 1.
Oh, I thought I just made it name and like that. Okay, so container. Okay.
Yeah, delete the challenge 1 and put everything in the container, and in the app.js also you have to call.
Yes, I just called challenge one there.
Right. So remove the challenge 1. I don't want to see challenge 1.
All right. Okay.
So do that and commit it again.
Okay.
Carrie, what about you?
I'm working on it, but I'm a little behind.
Okay. Tony,
Away from me.
Tony, how about you?
I just pushed it.
Okay, let me see.
It's still thinking. It's
Taking.
hasn't said complete.
Okay.
All right, now it's
Okay, let me take it. So I will go to Tony and I'll go to which one I go? Hello World or Hello World 2?
Hello World. I redid it because when I redid the computer,
Okay, so you did this using NetBeans, right?
a little bit of both.
Yeah, but you did using NetBeans, right?
Yes.
Yeah, because I see this NB project is also committed. It's okay, but I will tell you how to remove that later on. Okay, let me see. So you have navigation, you have container, and then you have, okay, you did not put this 2-column container in the project 1. Since this is a project we are doing, so everything should be referred from the project 1.
I actually had it in there, and I could have swore I heard you put it in the source folder, so I moved it.
Okay, you put it in the project 1, and you have to remove 1 column and make it 3-9, and also delete this 2-column container. And you are calling in the app.js, you are calling 2-column container, so remove that part also.
Okay. Yeah, Manny, I'm done.
Okay.
So you want me to move the 2-column to the project folder and then change the reference to the project folder, right?
I only want that it should be inside the project 1. Name you give, whatever you want to give, you can give. Right now I see you have the container already there, so no need to move this one. Just edit the container.js, and from the app.js refer the container.js. It's project 1 container.js. It should refer the project 1 container.js. You have already container.js inside the project 1, but the reference is wrong. This reference is wrong. It should call project
Well,
1
the container that's there is a 3-column layout,
Yeah,
and
you have
then
to change that
just
one.
did is a 2-column layout. Okay.
Okay. In the container, delete this 3-column, make it 2-column.
Oh, I thought you wanted us to create a new one. Okay. All right.
No need to create one. Okay.
I'll do that. Thank you.
Okay. Okay, let's see. Now DJ has done project 1. So you haven't deleted this, what? Challenge 1.
Let me delete that. I just updated the container.js. Yeah, I just did.
And I see challenge 1 already in this one. Is it committed or pushed?
Yeah, I have committed already.
You have to push also. Have you pushed it?
Oh, yes, I did.
Try once again. Maybe.
Yeah, I did.
Okay.
Yeah, I just already did twice again.
Okay, let me update it using this go total git pull. Maybe up to date. So
So once I delete the file, do I need to commit or
you have to commit it.
commit? Okay. Which were rejected because the remote contains work that we do not have locally. Okay.
So you push, you have to pull every time.
Okay. Manny, I'm having issue with this Git. Could you please help?
Yeah. Let's see what you have.
Yeah, it says there's. Let me make it loud. I just did Git pull and
I'm not able to see properly. Can you?
it is asking for merge. Can
Yeah,
you
but I'm not able to see clearly. Can you increase the font or display a little bit?
oh,
Because it's not clear actually. I am not able to see clearly. Though you are increasing the size.
oh, okay. Let me make it a little bit the font size. Right? Font size is
Yeah, do it and then I'll join again.
okay. Change it to font size 18.
No, actually, your screen is very big. Maybe resolution you have to keep the resolution little small. Then I will be able to see.
Yeah, I'm using iMac today, so that's the reason. I can make it.
I think that reduce the resolution. It's too big.
Oh, okay. How about now?
Okay, let me come again because I just
Is that the same or?
no, it's same for me. Same. It's too small.
Yeah, I tried to change the font size. Still, it's not
No, it's
changing.
not font size. You have to change the resolution. My
Uh, I cannot change the resolution like in the Windows here. Like, yeah, it's in the Mac. I don't know, like.
okay, give me the control, mouse control.
Okay. Yeah, I gave you the control.
Oh, okay. Where is the settings?
Oh, preference is here. Let me give this.
Go to settings.
Uh-huh.
Yeah, now here go to display will be there. Yeah, display.
Okay. Display.
Yeah, now brightness. One second, I don't see scale. Check the scale.
Oh, scale. Okay.
Yeah, and make it the lowest 1280 by 720. Right.
Okay.
Yeah, I'm able to see it.
So you can see it now.
Yeah.
Okay. Oh, what's happening here? Yeah. Yeah. Now you can see it.
Yeah, at least I can see. So what is saying merge? We are not. So what you have to do? You have to first do git status, git status. So you have to commit all these files first.
So this package and these are it's just there, right? So I don't need that. So these are Tony's new file.
Okay. Though why this is showing like this should not come.
Yeah, it's all there. Yeah, these are.
Okay, let's see.
Yeah.
Do git pull first. Okay, please commit your changes before you can merge. Okay, go one level back. Git cd dot dot cd dot dot one more level, one more level, one more level. Okay, now do git status. Let's see. Okay, so it's saying, why it's taking
Yeah.
uh, changes to be committed? Why you have Tony's file here?
I don't know. That's why I just did git pull and git push. That's why, yeah, it's so surprising. I
So
was I was on my folder.
okay, I will give you one command.
Okay.
So you have to run that one.
Okay.
Let me find out that command. I have that saved in my another computer, but let's find out. Hmm. Try using this one. I'm putting in the chat. Try using this one.
Git clean F.
Yeah, minus F, git clean minus F. Try this one. Let's see.
Okay.
Enter it. Now do git status. Still there is this one. Wait, let me see.
Let me note that command. Yeah, I'm noting that all commands here, so it's easier.
Okay, now try to do only git clean. Let's see. Git clean.
What is?
Clean. Only clean.
Okay.
Okay, what it's saying. Okay. Minus F refusing to clean. Okay, wait. Let's see. Uh, git, uh,
What is that? Yeah.
okay. Just run git clean minus fx.
Sorry. S.
No, git clean minus fx x. Yeah, enter it. Let's see. Now do git status. Still, these files are there. Okay, what it's saying, all conflict with you, but you are still merging. Use git commit to conclude merge. Changes to be committed, untracked files.
Yeah, we don't need to merge anything, right? Like it's a Tony's file.
Okay, first once done. Okay, so just try to remove it. One second, please. You have to you have to commit this. Okay, give me 1 minute. Let me bring my laptop, another laptop. I have saved the command.
Okay.
Yeah, you have to type git stash minus u. I will put in the chat
Okay.
stash minus u.
Okay.
Okay, now do git status. Okay, now do git pull. Now escape
Okay.
colon
Uh,
WQ. WQ.
okay.
Enter.
Okay.
Okay. Now we got this one right. So now you try to, you have now clean thing. Now you can,
Commit.
yeah, there's no nothing to commit. You have to now do your changes and then you have to commit it.
I have already changed.
Let's see if it's there.
Container, container one, and container. Yeah.
Okay, let's see what is the container.
And this is app.js.
Right.
Before it was challenge1. So I
Okay.
just made
Let
it
me git
container.
status, do the git status again. Let's see.
Okay.
So everything is clear now. So let me see in my, if I'm getting.
All right. Okay.
So now I will check here. Okay. Now let's see. This is DJ. I see challenge one is not deleted yet, and I still see the original one. Why is it so?
Yeah, I deleted. Okay. Except.
Let me see again.
Okay.
So no, it's not there, right? Okay, so let's see. Go to DJ, do ls, hello world, go to source, go to project one, cd project one, ls. You don't have this one, but I'm not able to get it. What happened?
Do I need to commit again?
No, maybe it's not refreshed here. Maybe it's there, but let me restart my NetBeans.
Maybe you need to git pull or something there.
Yeah, I pulled it, but
Yeah, this git is like I'm still getting used to it.
right. But you know, you will learn it, and later on it is more helpful. Maybe initially people get some problems, so we need to fix that. But ultimately, Git is very useful.
Right. Okay.
Hey, Manny,
Yeah,
if I do a pull, will I get all these changes that I as well, or should I not do a pull at this moment?
you can do pull anytime.
Okay.
Okay, let me see here. Okay, this is DJ. I still see it here. I don't know why I see it here, but you don't see it.
Yeah. I just.
Okay, we will see that figure out later. It's not the topic
Okay.
now.
Okay.
Maybe you have clean version. That's the main thing. Now I will do. Carry, what happened? Is it done? Your thing is done or no?
I'm committing it now.
Okay, I will check later. Now this is something I have two columns. Now I am making the website called as food donation. So on the left side, I want the search box. On the right side, I want to display the results. So I will build the search box in the HTML, and you have to build in the React. So I will go to the get bootstrap to get the template. And I will check all the, repo, maybe Tony, Kate, Carrie, and DJ. I will check your files again after the class. So maybe if something is remaining, I'll comment tomorrow. So I will check it later and comment about it tomorrow. Let's go ahead now. So I will go to the components, and in the components on the left side, I want the search box. So I will try to put the form. I'm just searching the form. Okay, here is the form. I will give you the URL in the chat, which I'm looking at. Now I want to put something search form on the left side. Let me see something similar to search one. Anything is there or no? If it's not there, then I will make it my own. Okay. I will just take a common form and then I will manipulate it, and you have to do same thing. I will not share the code now. You have to manually see it and do it. I will take this form. This is the first form in the forms. I will take this form and then I will manipulate it. This is my challenge1.html. So instead of column 1 now, I will say search food. For something we are making food donation, and then I will enter it, and here I will put my form. As soon as I will put my form, I will change the email address to keyword. So users can search any keyword. They can search any keyword which they want to find. For example, it's a food donation. They can search the recipe name. If anyone is having donating something, recipe name, and I will say enter keyword. I don't need password. I will delete it. I'll delete this file input. I will delete this check menu. I will copy this keyword again, and now second column will be location. So where I want to search. So for example, I am located in San Jose, so I will put the San Jose. So I want all the food donation near the San Jose. I will put location, enter location. So if I see my page, if I see on the left side, I can see search food keyword. I can put any keyword which I want to search. Maybe I can say chicken. Anyone is donating chicken. Here location, I will put San Jose. I want near San Jose all the people who are donating the chicken, and I will say submit. Instead of submit, I will change it to search, and instead of default, I will change it to primary. So if I now refresh the page, nothing happened. Okay, maybe it's not uploaded. Nothing happened. Let me open it again. Okay, no change. Something is wrong. Primary is fine. I change the search. Maybe sometimes it is in the cache, so you don't see immediately. So also I will make this form control class to this class so that it will take the whole width of the. Okay, so now it's taking whole width. So I made the left side search part. Now I want you to do same thing. So instead of column 1, I would like to see this part. Now it's up to you how you are doing it, and the one who will do the best way and all with this is the winner. Let's start. Let's do this for today and then we'll stop it. And if you have any problem, just ask me. I gave you the URL from where I copied the code, and you can see this code here also, but this is in HTML. You have to put in the React. If you cannot do, just ask me. I will help you. But try it, and if you feel problem, difficulty, just ask me.
Man,
Yeah.
yes. On React.js label keyword doesn't take it. Looks like the label for equals to keyword.
Okay. So for is a block command in the React. So just remove the for part.
Oh, okay. Yeah,
So
that.
it is the for part. I will show you what is there in the React, but now just delete for part.
Okay, yeah, that is why it's showing an error. Okay,
Right. Because for is not allowed in the React.
right.
There is another command for that, and there is another code for it. I will tell you later. Right now, just remove it.
Even label is not taking.
No label it will take. If you remove the for, it will work.
No, I just removed the for and
There are
instead
two
of
for, both
sorry.
the for.
Yeah, I have removed both for. Let me double check.
Okay, double label it works, but for it does not take.
Label.
Is it done? Hello.
No, it's something is wrong.
Okay. Just try to fix it. That will help you in understanding what is wrong. And if you cannot fix it in some time, then ask me.
It is saying like closing div tag is wrong, but I made sure like there is only one main div tag, but something.
Try to find out. Try to find out. Terry, what happened?
Yeah, I'm working on it.
Okay.
Is this
8,
supposed to be class or class name?
class name. I put it normal HTML. You have to change it in React.
Ah,
And React is class name. Kate,
Yes.
how is going?
Uh, I'm trying to rendering it in the local host, but right
Right.
now seems to some problem. I'm
Problem.
trying to fix it.
Try to fix it. Yeah. Tony, what about you?
I'm making a correction.
Okay.
Almost have it, I think.
Okay.
yeah, I'm also having the label issue.
Remove the for from the label and try to see.
I did.
Not working.
Maybe it's that.
Okay, one closing.
What do you have to remove from the label?
Okay. So label consists of this for. This for is not working in React. I will tell you the replacement of this for. So just now remove the for equal to keyword and for equal to location. For is not working in React.
Yeah, I'm done, Manny.
Okay. Tony, you got it? What you have to remove?
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah, it's
Comment
working.
it. DJ,
Yeah.
comment it.
Yeah, let me comment. Git comment. Comment. Yeah, I just did git commit.
Okay.
It says git git status.
Is it committed, Carrie?
Yes.
Okay, let me pull. Okay, let's see now. So why I see challenge also in your folder? Just delete the challenge. I don't like to see challenge. You are again calling challenge. You should call container. Challenge is the challenge. The project one is challenge, not the challenge inside it is challenge. So this is project one. So you should not call challenge. You should use it the container.
Container. Okay.
Okay. So now the problem here you have put directly here inside this one, and just try to make small components of everything. So instead of the column one, instead of the search form, putting it here, you should put it in another container, another component, and call that here. Okay. So basically, first don't use this file, use a container, and this part should go in another component, which should be called here.
What should the
And
component be called?
This should go inside the component, new component.
Is it like a new file? Should it be
Yeah,
called something?
new file, new component. This each file is component.
So what should you call the new component file?
You have to call it as search form,
Oh, search form? Okay.
and then you have to put that search form here, because this file will become bigger and bigger, and if you put whole code here, it will mess up your code. I want to make him very clean code. So the component should be very clean with very small number of lines. If the lines are more than 4 or 5, you should create another component and put it there. Okay, carry done. Let's take it. Let me take.
So same thing, Manny.
Yeah, I'm just trying to improve you. Maybe this is the first time you're building, so you are doing just quickly. You are trying to finish the project. That's correct also. But for the next time or from the tomorrow, you will clean up this kind of thing. Maybe put it in this another component and just use that component here. That will make the code look better.
I'm almost done with making a new component for search form. Yeah, let me check in.
Sure. Yeah, you also have this, but you have to put it in new component.
Okay.
And there is also one problem, and problem is this H3 is closing here, this form is closing here,
All right.
and this div,
Mhm.
this div should close before this div. So there is
Yeah, there was an issue with that, so I just did it forcefully to make it work, and it worked that way. So for some reason,
so this div is closing here outside, so that should the mismatch. It should you take it here and put it after this form.
under the form, right? Okay, let me try that again. Yeah, I was having issue with that, so
Yeah, issues coming now is very good. You will try to improve every issue, so it will be, once you fix this issue, it will be in your brain that okay, yeah, to fix this, I did like this.
okay.
And
container. So under yeah, I have created the new component. Under container.js, so I need to call that
right,
component there,
right. And you will call directly,
the search from.
yeah, yeah,
Okay.
call it in the container. Let me see how you're calling it.
All right. Okay.
Tony, what happened? Are you getting it?
I pushed it, but there's one error that I just fixed, and I'm again.
Yeah, okay, push it again.
But I didn't. I did the same thing that everybody else did with not creating a separate component, but I'll fix that.
Okay, no problem.
We all wanted to have shortcut.
Right. So now once you know that you have to create a new component, next time same thing happen, you will create a new component and you will do that way. So you will learn this thing again. Next time you will be automatically doing in the component. Okay, I have class name. So class name N should be capital. Here is N is small. And call minus sign. It's an equal sign here. It should be minus sign here.
Sign where?
This you can see call minus MD3. So here it's saying equal sign.
Oh, oops.
And class name should N capital here.
Gotcha. I got the type there, with there.
To call the container under this bootstrap tabular column, so it has to be under the call MD 3 column, like specific in the column itself, like row itself. I mean,
I'm not getting you. Can you show
Let
me
me,
your link?
uh, oh, to give you the access, I need to change the resolution again. Let me change it.
Okay. No, no, keep it like that only. Just put it in the chat what you want to say.
Oh, okay. Let me show you. Copy. So like this. I don't think.
Yeah, this is fine. 9 is fine. You have to,
No, I mean search from.
okay, search form.
Yeah. So that component should be like that, or it will not render correctly.
Okay, so the form should be, the search form should be like this. I copy this part. I will put it in, let me put in the, let me put in the, let's say, I will show you. I will create here
Okay.
new C file,
Yeah. Search
search
from.
form.js,
Yes.
and I will copy my component
Right.
and I'll delete the middle part. And here I will say search
Search.
form, and I'll put the code which I get. Let's take it again.
Mhm.
So this is the search form. So since we need one tag only, so I will create one div tag, just
Mhm.
empty div tag, and in that I will put the whole search form.
Okay. So yeah, that makes sense. So in that source form, we don't need to have this call
No,
MD3.
all MD should line the container only.
Okay, that's cool. Yeah, that's what I wanted to make sure. Okay, cool. Thank you. That's three.
So maybe you try to complete it after the class, and I will check it tomorrow. Those who have not shown me today, and I will check it tomorrow. So I'm closing the recording now.